Hey guys, if you guys use this sound, I'll comment your videos. I don't care if it's cringe or sus or weird. I'll still comment you guys. Bye. I'm just kidding. I'm not saying bye to you guys yet because you guys are so cool. If you guys if you guys like and subscribe and also use the sound, I'll comment. So do it. I said do it. Do it.